Hello everybody! Today we're going to take a close-up look at some Eastpak pencil cases. So let's go ahead and take a look. So there are three Eastpak pencil cases here. Starting from the bottom is the small round single in cloud pink, and the one in the middle is the round in Voltaic blue, and the one at the top is the benchmark single in Voltaic blue as well. So let's start off by first taking a look at the small round single in cloud pink, and take a look at the hang tags that are attached to it as well. So giving you a look at the details right there of the hang tags for this Eastpak small round single in cloud pink. So the cloud pink small round single measures 4.5 centimeters by 20.5 centimeters by 5 centimeters. So those are the dimensions of the Eastpak small round single, and this one is in cloud pink. Okay, and giving you a look at its overall details. So it is made from 100% nylon and has a 2-year guarantee or warranty. So giving you a close-up look at the details as well. So up close you can see the texture, as well as of course in the middle the Eastpak rectangular patch branding on it. So right there, just puffing it up to give you an overall sense of its size and its shape. Okay, and opening up the zipper as well, so just sliding, and before I do that, just giving you a look at the cord that's attached to it, and the pull tab as well with the Eastpak branding on it. Okay, and let's pull it open. And giving you a look inside of this small round single in cloud pink. So inside details behind as well, and of course the stitching details for the zipper and the inside label as well. So giving you a look at the details right there. That's on the inside label. So right there, an overall look at the details of this Eastpak small round single in cloud pink. And of course, to give you some sense of its size, resting it in my palm right there. And now let's take a look at the round, which is the one in the middle, and it's in Voltaic blue, so giving you an overall look. And of course, before we do that, let's take a look at the hang tags as well that's attached to it. So once again, taking a look at the details that's on the hang tags. So once again, it does come with 2 years of warranty, and it is made from 100% nylon. Just taking a look at the details, the barcode, as well as the dimensions of this round pencil case by Eastpak in Voltaic blue. So it measures 6.5 centimeters by 21.5 centimeters by 7 centimeters. Right there, the dimensions of this Eastpak round pencil case in Voltaic blue. Okay, and of course to give you some sense of its size, just resting the pencil case in my palm. Of course, it's still in its transported state, so flat, but nonetheless giving you a close-up look at the details of this pencil case up close, and then of course we'll pop it up to see its real kind of shape. So right there, giving you a better sense of its design. So once again, made of 100% nylon, and you can see the pattern or texture of the pencil case, and of course the zipper as well, in black with pull tabs on either side, and of course giving you a look at the metal pull tab as well for the zipper slider with the Eastpak branding on it as well. So made out of metal, and of course slightly tricky to achieve focus given that it is reflective or at least shiny. And of course there is that pull cord as well. So let's slide it open and take a look inside of it. So opening up, so once again single compartment, just like the small single round or small round single that we saw earlier in Cloud Pink, and giving you a look at the inner label or tag. Okay, so that's the inner label, and right there giving you some sense of its size as well, and of course the texture on the inner side. Okay, now let's zip it closed. A nice smooth action. And let's set it to the side, and finally let's move on to the benchmark single in Voltaic blue as well. Now, of course, giving you a sense of its size as well, and taking a look at the hang tags that are attached to it. So once again, some details right there on the hang tags for this Eastpak benchmark single in Voltaic blue. So its dimensions are 6 centimeters by 20.5 centimeters by 7.5 centimeters. So now just popping it into shape so you can see its design. So all very similar with two textile or nylon pull tabs, so made out of 100% nylon as well, with 2 years of warranty. And you can see at the front it does have the Eastpak rectangular patch label as well. And the zipper slider is in black. So overall, just giving you a look right there at its details. And of course, the pull cord that's attached to the metal zipper slider with the Eastpak branding on both sides. And let's open it up by sliding that zipper slider and giving you a look inside. So once again, right there, giving you a look inside. this benchmark single in Voltaic blue. Let's take a look at the inside label. And it does have a holographic foil. And right there, those are the inner labels, and of course giving you an overall look at the inside details of this single compartment pencil case or stationery case. Now let's zip it back closed. Right there, very smooth action. Oops. And just giving the pencil cases their shapes. Just going to try and puff them up to give you a better sense of their overall designs. So on the left we have the small round single, and in the middle is the round, and this one on the right is the benchmark single. So you can see the differences in the design, especially around the zipper area of the two pencil cases here, the round and the one on the right, which is the benchmark single. And you can see the shape as well. The benchmark does have a flat bottom to it. Whereas the round is round. Right there, giving you a look at the two different designs between the round on the left and the benchmark single on the right. Okay, and of course size wise as well, between the small round single on the left in cloud pink and the round on the right in Voltaic blue. And of course let's put the benchmark behind at the top. It's right there, the three different two designs or two models, which is the two rounds and the benchmark on the right. And of course, just to give you some sense of perspective as well, just gonna place a pen in this small round single, and the pen happens to be a Rotring 600 ballpoint pen. So right there, giving you some sense of the pen inside the pencil case. So plenty of room right there. even in this small round single. So once again, giving you a look at the Rotring 600 ballpoint pen. Against this small round single. And of course, given that it is round and there's nothing inside of this middle pencil case, it seems to be flopping over with the hang tag pulling it down. Nonetheless, giving you a look overall right there. If I can get to stand with the Eastpak branding in the right orientation. So right there. So those are the Eastpak pencil cases. Thanks for watching and happy carrying!